Hey, hi. Nice to see you again in Enchantment with Angel. Are you tired of using paneer in same old recipes? Well, here is an enchanting cake recipe. Let's get started. For this, you will need 3/4 cup of paneer, which we have to blend it to a smooth paste. Now, let us powder 3/4 cups of sugar. This will help to blend the sugar easily. So now, along with the 60 grams of butter, let us add the paneer and the powdered sugar. Let's blend everything together on a medium speed till it's soft and fluffy. And don't forget to scrape in between. It's time to add an egg and beat this for about a minute. Let's move on to dry ingredients. For that you will need 3/4 cup of flour, from which you have to remove 1 tablespoon of flour and replace it with 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Let's add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 spoon of salt. Now mix all this together. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Gently fold it. When everything has come together, it's time to add a teaspoon of lime juice. Mix on a low speed for about 30 seconds. Transfer this to a greased tin and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes in a 180-degree oven. Do try out this protein-rich cake and share your comments. Until we meet again, bye, happy cooking!